Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's video presentation of the Wicket celebration piece I'm a Believer, Session 2. In this session, we are going to revisit what we learnt in Session 1. We are also going to learn the instrumental part for the chorus and the ending, and learn the structure of the whole piece. By the end of this video, we will be able to perform the whole song from start to finish. So, let's get started by getting ready to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, meant for someone else but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face, now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried.
Do you remember what we did last week? We learnt the verse. This week we're going to have a quick practice through the verse and then we're going to learn the chorus.
When we move on to the chorus section of I'm a Believer, in addition to the notes that we used in the verse, we'll also need to use the note G, the note A, and the note B flat, which is the right hand note of the group of 3 black notes in the middle of our Glockenspiel. A technique we will use in the chorus is called double stopping. This is where we play 2 notes at the same time, like this. Some of the patterns in our warm-up this week will use this effect.
This bit's fun to play. The right hand does 2 B flats, 2 A's, 1 G, while the left hand does 2 G's, 2 F's, 1 E, and we do both those at the same time, so we get this pattern. Let's do it together. We're going to do it 4 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Good. And then on to the next bit. The next phrase uses the words I'm a believer and plays that between the notes A and G. I'm a believer. So it's only the last part of the word is on the G. I'm a believer. Okay, then we just move our hands down, do exactly the same, except the words are I couldn't leave her. Again, the last note is on the F. Put that together. And then if I tried is all on the note D. So the last little bit is similar to what we played before, where we had that double stopping, where we've got the G and the B flat, the F and the A, and the E and the G. The rhythm is slightly different, okay, instead of it being, okay, which is a bit slower rhythm than, okay, so don't play this too slow. Don't play this too slow. Okay, so we have 2 bars rest, we play that, and then we've got a yeah at the end. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now we're ready to put it all together.
Before we perform the whole piece, we need to know the structure of the song. This means we need to know how it's built and which sections we need to sing or play and when. It starts with an introduction, and then we will play the verse and the chorus, sing the verse and the chorus, play the verse and the chorus again. After that, we sing the chorus one final time and then play the final ending on our instruments. So now we know what we need to do, let's get ready to perform the whole piece from start to finish. Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of I'm a Believer, Session 1 or Session 2 as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to some more Wicket celebration pieces next time.